So the stable, as you can see behind me, we got my dad's car running. So I'm standing back here just because it's pretty noisy. But I'll let you know what we got going on today. So we did all the work with replacing the clutch, and which we thought we hurt the transmission. We thought third gear kind of grenaded itself. It didn't. So we pulled the transmission out kind of for nothing, but it gave us opportunity to get a lot of stuff done. So last video we did a new clutch. We were missing the pins on the flywheel, so our little bolt holes for the actual clutch to go to the flywheel started to elongate from movement. So we got the new pins in there for the alignment of the clutch, new hardware, and then we did our Stifler's transmission cross member and safety loop. And then we also did, oh, what else? It was new hardware. And was there anything else kind of upgraded while we did that? I don't think so. But oh, and we did a rear main seal, and then the seal around the transmission where the drive shaft slides in. So those were some leaks we had to address. But now, since all that stuff's done, as you guys can see, the car fired right up, and we are about to go get a data log in for John. So sounds pretty good. Still got the drag radials on. We're not going to do anything crazy. John said he just wants to pull in third gear, and the car should be up to temp, but already on, I believe this is the correct one. It's been a while since we've done this with John, but I believe I'm on the correct little scope down here. So all I have to do is hit record and then stop just several times. We'll send those logs over to John and see what he says about it. Don't mind the wiring. Jalen started doing new speakers in the car for my dad, and then we got new handles to put on here soon. And I think my dad's going to get rid of the S550 seats and do something else. But here we go. I'll just start recording now. Gonna start coming on it.
That's 2,000 there.
Yeah. Start pulling.
Oh yeah, it's starting to pull.
Yeah, you're all the way up in what, fourth gear?
Yeah, fourth gear. He got 2,500. Yeah, it's starting to pull.
This one to 55, huh?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
45.
Oh, shit. All right, I'm already recording on the computer. Yeah. Smoke back there, but it's not still doing it. I don't know if that was the tires or not. It was just white smoke, but it wasn't on the shift or anything. All right, guys. So back in the garage, we got the car in here. Scary thing about this car is we have no idea what boost level we're at with this thing. We have the Innovate boost gauge in there still, which you guys know if I've been doing videos on my dad's Mustangs, I've had nothing good to say about Innovate. So we gotta get a new boost gauge for the car, unless John can see it on the data log, which I'm sure he can, so we'll get a better idea then. But as you guys probably heard in the video, like, guys, this car is pulling hard, so I know my dad's excited about it. So with that being said, that's gonna wrap up my dad's car. We'll get those logs sent off, but I wanted to give you guys an update. So we finally have a game plan with my 86. So with that being said, I went ahead and bought a bunch of things to start getting this project wrapped up. We got our Pro 50 shifter with the little, it might be right here. It's in the box with the little boot that goes on the end of the shifter that sits in the transmission. We got a clutch fork. We have all new hardware and dowel pins for the transmission and flex plate. We have, there's more dowel pins. I accidentally got another set. Didn't know that set from LMR came with one. We got our inserts for the back of the heads because I was missing those. I can't think of the name of this right now, but that's for transmission. And then we got our new ARP bolts for this oil pan. So I'll be able to, most of the bolts are in the oil pan, but I went ahead and chose ARP just to be done with it. And then here's where those inserts go. Oh, sorry, right there. So gotta get those in there. Also got the bolt for a belt tensioner, so that gotta get that on order. Already sold the head unit for this, guys. The Paxton 1000's gone. So not gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna do to it yet, but let's just say that supercharger pulley on the front, we got to get rid of that too. I believe that is a 8-inch, but that's disappearing. And then we're gonna get started going on this. I will go ahead and tell you guys, I am going to here soon rip all the wiring out this car, and this car is immediately going on a Holley Terminator X. So that should be happening soon. So finally, guys, my Foxbody content is coming with my own Fox. And then we got our new cams for the 96. So these are just replacement 262s, which I know the box says 274s, but the guy I bought them from upgraded to the 274s. So these are actually 262s sent in the modular head shop. They have been degreed, so they are marked. And I bought the little crank sprocket, which has been marked as well. So modular head shop, I sent those out like last Tuesday, and here we are, less than 2 weeks, guys, with the turnaround time on these. So the 96 will be happening here soon. The only thing with that is I want to go ahead and replace the followers and the lash adjusters, because I don't know which one of those locked up to chew up the cam that's currently in the car on the driver's side. So we're gonna swap these out here soon, trying to figure out a game plan with that and moving forward on that car. And as far as the 96 project goes, I have found a builder here out east, which I think I'm gonna use him to build the short block Texid to go into 96. So he said he probably won't be able to actually like touch that car or touch that short block until June, which will be fine if we don't blow up the current motor in that car as it is. So the goal of the 96, get it back running, get these cams put in, upgrade the lash adjusters and the followers, put a new clutch in it, and probably the T56, go to the track, get our 125 mile per hour trap speed, and then pretty much not race that car again until the Texid is here and ready to go. Because here in Colorado, high elevation, I think a 125 trap speed and a stock bottom end 2-valve Mustang is kind of impressive, especially for what it is. So that's my only goal with that car. Anyways, lots of things happening on the channel, lots of parts coming in for cars. It's getting to be about that time for us, so that means it's time to start wrenching. So please be sure to like, subscribe, catch you on the next one.